Hello guys, review smartphone Tecno Spark 4 Lite. Okay, device, look complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover, headphones, micro USB cable and adapter for charging. Okay, good complementation with headphones and protected back cover. Device made of plastic. On the back side camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side display, 6.5 inch. On this side power key and volume keys. Downside micro USB port and headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. IPS display, HD resolution, high OS launcher, open settings, look Android version, Android 9 and iOS launcher version 5.5.2. Okay, open tests, Geekbench test. No, Geekbench doesn't work. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score, okay. And run the Mali game GTA San Andreas, look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Game works very good on max graphic level, with little lags, but it's ok. We can play on the max graphic level in GTA San Andreas. Okay, close this and now talk about camera. I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.